Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based on Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool, interesting stuff. What I would like to do today, guys, is show you how to use the replace color option within Adobe Photoshop like a pro. What you'd like to do sometimes is pick certain parts of your image and recolor them. What this allows you to do is really add your own sort of style and sort of like bespoke aesthetic to your actual imagery that you're using. And all you have to do is follow the simple processes that I show you today. And like I say, what you'll be able to do is really add some sort of unique look to your imagery. As you can see here, I've got this image of a car light. And what I'd like to do is change the color of the actual light that's coming from the car. So first of all, what I need to do is use our rectangular marquee tool. And just very simply, just create a selection around the area that you'd like to recolor, like so. Make sure that you have the layer highlighted. And then if you go to Image, Adjustments, come all the way down to the bottom here to Replace Color. Now, first of all, what you should make sure you have is fuzziness down to 0%. And what we're going to do now is use our Add to Sample tool here and start picking up the colors that we want to start resampling. And as you can see here, you can really sort of judge which areas you're missing. So I'm missing that area there. So I'm just going to click in that area just to pick it up. Like so, let's pick up these colors here. Make sure you really get the sort of details in. Like so. And you can see here we have this hue option. So now if I start manipulating that hue, you can see here we're changing the color. As you can see, you've got certain areas that are missing. So all you have to do with that tool highlighted there, if you just click them, and you can see they pick them up. There we go. That's the result I'm looking for. And like I say, what I'm now going to do is really sort of manipulate that hue, change the color. What should we go for? Let's say we go for, let's go for a strong green color, like so. So now if I press OK, you have the new option here, this little taskbar to deselect. The keyboard shortcut is Command D for Mac users or Control D for Windows users. And there you have it, guys. That's how you use that replace color option in Adobe Photoshop like a pro. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.